to change drop-down values for a field, you can go into Studio, into that module, Fields, and change the values that way, or you can go directly into Dropdown Editor, find the list, and then remove or add any values you want from the list. In this case, we're going to go through Dropdown Editor for case source, and we're just going to click the minus sign by the values that we don't want to have in our dropdown field anymore. The message that pops up is just basically saying if you are using this field currently and this value that you've removed is populated in that field, then the next time you go to that particular field in that record, it will be blank. So, as best practice, if you're currently using Sugar and you're going to remove some values from drop-down list, you need to do some mass updates in that module to move those values into something that you are going to keep in that drop-down list.